Hi, it's Janet in the studio. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some really cute cards using kits from Creative Memories. First, I have to say that I am a Creative Memories consultant. So if you use the link I've provided and make a purchase, I will get a small reimbursement. With that said, I'd like to show you a few of the card making kits that are available. These kits are so easy to use that anyone can make cards to have on hand for any occasion. No more running to the store at the last minute. I have 3 collections on hand: Good Day, Hugs and Kisses, and Crafty and Cozy. Each set comes with everything you need to make 12 different cards: the cards and envelopes, the topping pieces, complete instructions on how to put the cards together, and even a bag of bonus embellishments that you can use any way you want. The individual pieces are numbered on the back, so it makes it easy to put it all together. Since Christmas is coming, I started with the Crafty and Cozy set. The first thing I did was separate all the pieces by number and put them in an envelope, so that all I needed to do was pull the envelope and it would have all the pieces that I needed for that card. I followed the instructions for the first card. Under the embellishments here, I used some foam squares to make them stand up from the page. But the right side looked a little plain to me, so I added a Christmas tree that I had in my stash with a little gold star on the top, and then I put a sentiment on the inside. I chalked the edges with a little bit of chalk just to give it a more finished look, and then I decorated the envelope to go with it. I did the same thing with number 2, putting the tree up on some foam dots, and I added little Christmas presents under the tree and a little bit of washi tape as a border. I put the inside message and chalked the edges just a bit. Of course, a matching envelope. With the third one, I did the same thing, following the directions. I popped the wishes up on some foam tape so it sticks out a little bit, but I thought that the bottom down here looked plain, so I added a decorative sticker, and then I put a sentiment on the inside. I think the envelope matches pretty well. To start card number 4, I'd take the envelope that has all the pieces marked 4 on the back and a blank card, and I'd start putting it together in order. 4A, 4B, 4C, and D, E, F, G, and H along the bottom. This one is pretty busy on the front, so I may just add some sparkle to the candy pieces, pop them up on foam tape so they stand up a little bit, and put a sentiment on the inside. All of these cards looked perfectly fine just as the directions show. No other embellishments were needed. You just have to think of me as Tim the Toolman Taylor, who has to supercharge everything. I'm really looking forward to doing the Good Day set because I love the laser cut dies that come with it. I can see lots of possibilities with those. As I said in the beginning, I am a Creative Memories advisor, and if you'd like to try your hand at these easy card kits, follow the links below. There are a few other sets to choose from, and if you don't have adhesive or foam squares, you can add that to the order as well. On the other hand, if you'd like to buy the cards as I've made them, they will be available on my Etsy site, and the link to that is below as well. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Janet in the Studio, and that you'll come back to watch some more.